Oh yeah. Bit breeze. Managed to get a tent up tonight. The ex bobcat. My second time out this tent. And this time it's going to be a good test with these winds. On the Isle of Man. It's the view. East crop in the wind. And there's the view there. Getting cold, getting dark. But it's great to be out in the great outdoors. Oh yes. What a view. 360. Pan you right round. There she is, the bobcat. Standing firm with the view. As the sun sets. Right, bring it back later. I've got a new stove to use tonight. So I'll bring it back later. And, I'll cook me some tea. Regulator and the ignition. So what we got tonight is a Welsh burger. Mushrooms stir fry and a bit of chow mein sauce. The burgers in there, just one. The light is shaking because the wind is blowing the tent. I have to say this OEX Bobcat 110 really standing up to the winds here. On this bit of a high height, really solid and so warm, really so warm inside this tent. You can hear the wind blowing. Actually it's solid for one whole tent. It's amazing. So let's get this lit. Here we go. Get some oil in the pan. Not too much. We'll bring that some heat. been raining off and on. Did forecast for the wind to die down, but like I said, it seems to be picking up. Hopefully a bit later it will die down. Nice flame. Flame on the stove. And the frying pan sits really nice, sturdy. That is good. So I'll just cook this now through slowly. Got myself a beer. Got my fork somewhere. Just put here somewhere. I got it. There it is. Micro towel, wipe the hands and clean up after. So, yeah. Cook slowly. Flame on that, and it regulates really good, really low. Yeah. Oops, too low. There we go. The rain is just coming back on again. Comes and goes. This is meant to clear up a little bit later. But yeah, I do like this tent. My second outing on this bobcat tent, and I'm liking it a lot. I've seen reviews on it on YouTube, and they do say it's a 4-season tent, and yeah, I can vouch for that. It is a 4-season tent. And I've got my inner door open. I'm sitting out. My main door is closed, tent, but I'm sitting out and it's just warm. There's no draft coming in either. But the vents, got a nice vent on top, so for cooking, really good. Do a stroll around in the morning. Yeah, really happy with this tent. Got the poles facing into the wind, so just flowing over the tent. Okay, grab the stir fry, is it? Couple of handfuls, not too much. What I'll do for now, so that reduces down. We've already got the sauce in. Cook the burger in. Whoa! Comes the wind again. And mushrooms in this. Stir fry. And that's pretty much in there. Very nice. Not got a plate. Using the frying pan 2-in-1 because it's pretty shallow, so I'll cook everything in there and eat out of this pan as well. It comes to my plate. Smells good. Wind just comes and goes, but his tent's just not moving. For one pole tent, it's unbelievable. Whoever designed this tent, yeah, needs a pat on the back. Be good. Oh yeah, good said. Well, there we have it. Supper is done. Welsh burger, stir fry with mushrooms. To wash it down. Hog gobbling gold. On the mountainside, wet and windy, but dry inside and warm. Sweet. calms down for the night. Get some pretty hefty gusts. Just, don't know, all looks a bit bad to me. Here comes the rain. Yeah, it's bobcat. Taking a lashing from the wind. Here comes the rain. Right, let's get back in. Let's get back in. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Good morning. At least the wind has calmed down. That was one windy night. Well, the tent survived. We did go out at 3 AM. One of the guide lines pulled off from the tent. Still in the ground, still pegged to the ground, but the other end was just pulled out from the tent. So I tied that back on. Just made sure just tension the others up slightly. But yeah, that's all good. Yeah, the wind just dropped a lot. Let's take a look outside. It's not quite dark. Oh, a bit of clearance over there. across the side with a sunrise. So if we do get some sunrise, it won't be much. Oh, it's all cloudy. It's a local town down there. Let's go out and take some photos, I think. Get back in, put the kettle on. No condensation, dry. Yeah, bone dry. Sweet. Right, outside the tent now. Stretch my legs, try to go back in and put the stove on. This is the view. So we have got a bit of a sunrise, colour in the sky, beautiful. Just about to see the tent. So I'll take some photos and post them up at the end of the video. It's towards 10 now. Yeah, I know you can't see much. Tent's looking sound. Sky. Very nice. There's someone climbing up on the hill. Some torchlight. Probably going out and see some photos. Hike across the ridge. Oh, that's nice. Nice colour in the cloud there. Texture. Oh, it's cold. I'll put this camera away now, my hands are cold. Let's get this kettle on. So, got the stove on. Well, I'm back in the tent, so yeah, got the stove on. Nice and warm in here now. Oh. Yeah, cold on the hands outside at the moment. So I won't just taking the tent down yet. So yeah, just on slow. This new stove is doing well. Doing really well. I'm liking it. Nice big round base on it. These little legs, these arms folds in as well, so any smaller parts can still fit on it. But yeah, it's all strong, sturdy. Cost about 30 quid from a local outdoor store here on the other man. I need to get I'll put up the make of it, which I forgot. Grass. Yeah, it said I seen a light on the side of that hill, so I actually seen a light early hours this morning flash. Not close to me, but a bit distance away where I seen a light sort of flash a tent. I thought it was a car, but it must have been him making his way up. So he's probably on an early morning hike out somewhere across the tops. I'm sure he saw me because the torch was, he was looking direct at me, and he had his torch on, so that's because I put a torch on inside my tent. Otherwise he wouldn't have spotted I was here. Alright, let's get this cover. Right, made a cover, so just put the stove up to the way. Let's see the view from the tent. A feature which I'm going to do each morning from the campsite. So put the door down halfway. There we go. Put the door halfway. Here's the view from the tent. I can see a bit of sunrise going on over there. Yeah, look at that. Wow. How cool is that? I think I need to get out and take some photos of this. So I'm out of the tent now. Just look at this, guys, girls. That's why I see me guys this morning. He's probably going right down south. Nice. Well, all packed up. No trace. It's windy and cold. There's the bag. Coffee. No trace. Let's get out here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Much appreciated.